For this tutorial, we will be using a Raspberry Pi 4 and a Raspberry Pi Pico. Now boot up the Pi and make sure you are online. Open a new terminal to update and upgrade the OS. Type sudo apt update and press enter. Type sudo apt upgrade and press enter. In the top right of your screen, click the down arrow. Install any additional updates found here. Make sure Build Essential is installed. Now install Visual Studio Code. Once installed, open VS Code from the Pi OS menu. Click on the Extensions tab. Type Pico in the search box. Install the official VS Code extension for the Raspberry Pi Pico by clicking Install. Once installed, navigate to the Pi Pico tab on the left. Click New Project from Example. Choose Pico as the board type. Choose Blink for the example. Under Location, click Change. Double-click Document and create a new folder called Pico Blink. Click Select. Now click Create. At this point, the project source and Pico SDK will be downloaded. This may take a few minutes. Once the project loads, click Yes, I trust the authors. Click on the blink.c file on the left. If asked, click Configure Now to reconfigure kits. Press Enter to scan for kits. Here we have the Pico standard library imported. Here is the constant containing the blink delay value in milliseconds. This function initializes the pin that we want to use on the Pico. This function sets the built-in LED to on or off. Here is the main loop. First, we turn the LED on, then we wait for the specified amount of milliseconds before turning the LED off, and finally, we wait one more time before the loop restarts. Now connect your micro USB cable to the Pi. Hold down the boot cell button while plugging the other end into the Pico. Close the pop-up on your Pi. Click on the Pico tab. Click Run Project. The application will be flashed to the Pico. You should now see the LED blinking. Let's try one more thing. Go ahead and disconnect your Pico. Let's try changing the delay value to 50. While pressing the boot cell button, reconnect your Pico. Close the pop-up. Click Run Project. Now the changes have taken effect with Super Blink mode. Please subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.